I think Calvin and Linda really like this new 8x10 rug. They both came in here and flopped right down. Today I'm going to be looking at a beautiful 8x10 new rug for the living room. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the package, lay it out for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. And I love rugs. So do our animals, Linda and Calvin. They might make an appearance too. Go ahead and clean and prep your surface. We vacuumed and then Swiffered this area where we're going to put down the rug. You can put this rug down solo, but it is helpful to have an extra set of hands because it is quite large. The rug has a nice non-slip backing and you can wash it. Now, I think this is too big for our washer, but you can always bring it to a laundromat with an extra large one. One thing you should know about rugs with non-slip backing, especially ones that are a little bit thinner like this and have the soft material on the top, is that when you vacuum them, you have to push the vacuum. You could, of course, also get the rug tape that tapes the rug down to the floor, which will help from it pulling up if you're trying to vacuum it.
What's that? Was it in a rug? What do you think? Hi. Oh yeah, it's nice and soft. Yeah. Oh, she's a good boy.
Well, I think Calvin likes it too.
What is this?
Overall, I really like this rug. I like the size, I like the pattern, I like the feel of it underneath my feet. It's nice and soft, and I love the non-slip backing. If you're looking for a large area rug for your home or your office, I would highly recommend this one. And I think Linda would too.